Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data. Copy documents, pictures, and any license keys to an external drive. Once done, make sure the laptop is plugged in and connected to the internet if online activation is needed. Next, locate your recovery options, either the recovery partition or a Windows 7 installation DVD/USB. Now restart the PC and press the recovery key sequence, often F8, F10, F11, or a manufacturer key. This initiates the factory reset environment, so you can proceed. You now navigate the recovery menu and select Repair Your Computer or the Factory Image Restore option provided by your OEM. When prompted, pick the system drive, typically C, and agree to format it. This removes personal files and restores default system files. Make sure to read each confirmation dialog to avoid preserving unwanted data. During the process, progress bars and multiple automatic reboots are normal, so be patient and avoid powering off the machine mid-operation unless instructed. Once the reset finishes, you'll go through the out-of-box experience. Create a user account, set localization and network preferences, and install security software immediately. Then update Windows 7 with Service Pack 1 and all critical updates to close vulnerabilities. Reinstall device drivers from the manufacturer site for stability and selectively restore your backup files. If the reset fails or returns errors, check the recovery media integrity. Run a hard drive diagnostic for faults, and retry the process or contact OEM support for hardware-related issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.